Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're back with regional smash burgers. This one is from Sedalia, Missouri, and it features peanut butter. Yeah, we're doing the Goober burger. We're going to start with a pretty traditional Goober burger. Then we're going to do a Thai-style peanut butter burger that I've been dreaming up. I know this is kind of weird. Stick with me. I've never done this before, never had one, but I've heard they're good. As with all the time when we're doing our smash burgers, we're starting with our bun. You gotta toast that bun, man. And while we're doing that, we should probably heat some peanut butter. This burger originates from the Wheel Inn in Sedalia, Missouri. It was a diner, not an inn, but, you know, naming conventions. Anyway, it looks like they were demolished in 2007 to make room for a freeway on-ramp. Unfortunate. Now, the most efficient way I found to do this is just to butter the skillet, get everybody nice and liquidy, then let it pool down at the bottom, and toast them that way. As someone who is gluten-free, I do not own a toaster. That might make things easier. You can also just use butter. You know, you do you. Okay, so what I'm learning from this is use more peanut butter than you think you'll need. Careful with your peanut butter, don't let it burn. Once your buns are as toasted as you want them, you're ready to smash your burger. I seasoned the tops. This is a 4-ounce ball of beef. I sprinkled some salt on the top. I sprinkled some salt on the bottom. Just gonna smash and smear. And it'll release on its own. If it starts to fall apart like that, that's fine. Don't worry about it. Just leave it be. Well, that's going. I'm gonna dope my bun. Mayo on the bottom. The original Goober burger was mayo, tomato, and iceberg lettuce. I'm gonna add pickles, because this is my house. Okay, it's starting to look shiny, so I'm gonna flip. Looking pretty good. Now we're just gonna pour some of this peanut butter right over the burger. No regard for anything. Now, if it were up to me, I'd use a bigger bun. But because I'm gluten-free, these dinky little buns are the best I could do. There we go, the original Goober burger. I'll tell you how it went in the morning when we do the sequel. Okay, it's the next day and we're gonna make a Thai-inspired version of this. I know I'm not the first person to think of this because I can't be. I started by taking a bagged coleslaw and adding vinegar and soy sauce to it and giving it a good mix and letting it sit. I would mix this again before I add it to the burger. But yeah. Now we're gonna mix up a Thai peanut sauce. This is from Serious Eats. I removed the scallions, but I left everything else. This is half a cup of peanut butter going in. And then you're gonna mix in the hot water. That's 1/4 cup of hot water. Just do what you can to get all of it off of whatever you used to put it in the bowl. You're just gonna whisk those together. We might need more hot water, we'll see. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sriracha. There we go, that's a little better. followed by a tablespoon of lime juice, a tablespoon of rice vinegar, a tablespoon of soy sauce. There we go, that's a little better. Two tablespoons of Thai curry paste. I ordered this to make sure it was gluten-free. Half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. 2 cloves of garlic minced. The problem that I had with the original Goober burger was that the smash burger qualities meant that the beef flavor was overpowered by the peanut butter. The ratio was just off for me personally. Some people love a good peanut butter burger. I'm okay with it apparently, but I just found that it was too much peanut butter, not enough beef. So I'm making some fat burgers. Now, like I said, I know I'm not the first person to think of this because it's too obvious. The logical conclusion from a peanut butter burger is to just take it Thai. But I thought of this the other day when I was doing research for this recipe, and I thought, this could be amazing. So that's why we're doing it. Take them off as they finish, let them rest a little bit. Okay, it's time to start decorating my burger. I got some French fries going. They'll be done in a minute. These guys have rested long enough. Take a second to remix my slaw. Put a big old handful on the bottom of this burger. And we're going to put a burger on, obviously. And a big old smear of our peanut butter sauce. Look at that. Thai style Goober burger. I think that's an upgrade. Fries aren't bad either. Okay. I'm hungry, so I'm going to go eat this. Like, subscribe, ding the little bell, maybe leave a comment down below, let me know how I'm doing. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.